Dealing with procrastination, Ujjwal Jain. Ujjwal Jain, dealing with procrastination.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Start.
इंजीनियर्स मरते नहीं दफनाए जाते हैं। इंजीनियर्स मरते नहीं दफनाए जाते हैं, हर 6 महीने में तड़पाए जाते हैं। कोई इनकी कब्रों को तो ढूंढो ए दोस्तों, कोई इनकी कब्रों को तो ढूंढो ए दोस्तों, ये कब्र में भी असाइनमेंट लिखते हुए पाए जाते हैं। So ladies and gentlemen, as we are in college, we all write a lot of assignments, a lot of papers. These assignments, these papers are a very crucial part of our day-to-day's education. So what a normal student do? He makes a timetable. He used to plan all his 6 months. But what really happened? Those 6 months transformed into 3 months. Those 3 months transformed into 1 month. When we have the last 3 days, what we all do? We put all 2-nighters or maybe a 1-nighter completing the entire task what we have decided for 6 months. So this got me thinking, what's basically a difference between a procrastinator and a non-procrastinator? So for that, I did an MRI scan to know what basically how some people are so good, how some people are procrastinators and some are not procrastinators. So for that, I did an MRI scan. So guys, you don't have to be a biology student to understand these MRIs, but you can understand them by just looking at them. So as you can see behind me, there is an MRI scan of a non-procrastinator. So as you can see, a non-procrastinator has complete control in his own hands. But what comes in the case of a procrastinator? A procrastinator has control in his own hands to an extent. But what else he has? He has a monkey in him. So the monkey used to tell him, "Oh, are you going to study?" "No man, just not study right now." What we do? Just open some Instagram. So when we open Instagram, we start scrolling. We start scrolling from Sunny Leone to Kim Kardashian. And for the older people, it could be from Madhuri Dixit to Zeenat Aman. So guys, let me give an example from the Kishkinda Kand in Ramayana. In this, Jambanji addresses the entire Ravan Sena, entire Vanar Sena. Here he goes. कहीं रीच गए सुने हनुमाना, काहे चुप्पी साध रहो बलवाना. Hey Hanuman, why not bothering towards things? Why not seeing things properly? Then he says, पवन तनय सुत पवन समाना, बुद्धि विवेक सुत ज्ञान निधाना. Hey Hanuman, you're a son of Pavan. You have buddhi, vivek, each and every ability anyone ever needs. And now he says the most motivational line anyone can ever hear. This line does not only refers to Hanumanji. This refers to each and every one of us. The line is, "Kavar sukaj katane jagmahi, jo nahi ho itaat sumpai." That means there's nothing in the world which you cannot do, which you cannot achieve. You can do each and everything in life. You can achieve anything. And let me tell you one thing very clearly. I think all of you present over here are procrastinators. But what basically makes a procrastinator and a non-procrastinator is having deadlines with it. Just like that, a friend of yours gifted you a Lamborghini and you just take care of it, just let it be. What will happen? Whenever your friend will come, he'll think, "Oh, the car is in very bad position." Just like that, God has gifted us this precious body. Procrastination does not only refers to our day-to-day aspects, our day-to-day tasks, it refers to each and everything we do in our life. So what we all have to do? We have to make priorities. We have to do things in a proper manner. We have to do things in a proper way. This will make an impact. This will create history. This will get us do things. So start today. Maybe not today. Thank you.
Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till yet. If you like it, do like and subscribe to the channel, and also follow me on LinkedIn to read my article on procrastination. Also, you can check out my video on the beauty of imperfection right above you, and looking forward to staying connected. Bye. Have a nice day guys.